All right, welcome traders back for another recap. Today is for the Atlas line indicator alerts, and this is for the London session. And of course, that's the E-mini S&P ES for Thursday, August the 10th, 2017. As you can see here, it is ES, and that's September 2017 5-minute chart, and today's date, Thursday, August the 10th, 2017. Here is the line representing the 3 a.m. Eastern Time start of the London session, right? And as we can see here, we get a look at the bars there, as you can see, all right? And so we have the Atlas line hovering above price all the way of the session. And with things happening in the news with the North Korea situation and the US and markets down. So here all of the trades are going to be to the downside. We're taking shorts only. All right. And so let's start off. We have here, this one here is a double bar short, so we can see right here that's 24.6675. It's the yield on that one is a point. And so let's see here, we'll count it off. We'll count it off right here. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4 ticks. And so we would have realized the profits off of this bar right here. First trade, good trade. Let's move on to number 2. We get a bounce short, 24.67 right here. And the yield says 3 ticks. Not a full point, 3 ticks. And so let's go ahead and we'll count that one off too. So we got 67, 1, 2, 3, boom. Trade 2, good trade, successful, no worries, right? And so these two happen relatively, that's 310. And this one here, 405, right? And so we move over here and we get another trade right up in here. This is a strength trade to the downside. And let's have a look at the yield on that one there. According to the system rules, looking at a point. And so let's count it off right here. 24.6475. It's 1, 2, 3, boom, right there. Full point, right? Nice trade, successful. We're 3 for 3. Then later on in the session, we get down here to 7:05 a.m. coming up on the New York session. The energy has drained out of the London session at this particular point in time of the morning, and so we have a yield of well, a point. All right, so we get a point. And so let's have a look here and see. So that's 24.6250. Let's have a look at that there. And so we're right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, right there. Profits realized right there. So that's 4 for 4, right? And we move over to this area right here. Let's this area right here, just a bunch of shorts, right? And so let's get rid of that there. We have bounce short, 24.63, double bar short 24.62.75, another bounce short 24.63.50. It's all happening in this particular area right here, and each one of those layered on top of each other practically is yielding a point for ticks. Let's have a look see here. 24.63.75, 1, 2, 3, boom, right there. It's a point there, and I mean you can that's the next one right here. Boom, another one there, and we had another one here. 62.75. Right there, boom, another one. So that's 1, 2, 3 more trades. And let me come over here to this bar right here, and we're getting into the New York session. And so Atlas line indicator for the New York session, gold line indicates the beginning of the session, right? 9:30, August the 10th. And once again, Atlas line hovering over price the entire day. So we're taking more trades to the downside. Very, very profitable day for Atlas line traders. You see that? Now, let's go over this again here. Right here we get a double bar short, 24.59 right there. The yield says energy has really picked up. Energy says 2.25 points, 2 points and a quarter, 2 points in the tick, however you want to say it, 9 ticks, right? And so let's count it off here. So from here we count off. That's 1, that's 2, and a tick right there. Right there. Very, very nice trade, especially if you had 10 contracts. Oh, salivation, man, salivation. Now look what happens here. Right on top of it we get a strength trade after that double bar short. You know how I feel about double bar shorts. I love them. Strength trade, look at that. So that strength trade off of this bar right here, 10 o'clock, half hour into the session, and that's saying we have a yield of 2.5 points. Boom. Oh, just gets me all warm and woolly inside. So let's get it right here. 24.56.75. That's 1. No, wait, that's 2, right? That's 1. That's 2. Right there. Boom. Third successful trade off of that one right there. Now, let's get a little closer here so we can zoom in a little bit here, because I want you to see this price action. So right here we get a doji at 10.45, right? That's a pullback trade. Love pullbacks. Love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. Pullbacks coupled with doji that says getting ready to go down, get ready, right? So the yield according to the system rules is 2.5 points, right? So let's count it off. Let's count it off right here. So that's 24.54.50. That's 1 point right there. That's 2 points right there. 2.5 points right there. Boom. Oh, that's lovely. That's real lovely, especially if you got 10 contracts on that. Lovely, right? Now, look what happens. Another strength trade forms right here. I mean, this is just like, this is trader's dream day today. Absolute and complete trader's dream day if you're trading with the Atlas line indicator. If you know what I mean. I mean, there's just no other better indicator that I know of in the game than the Atlas line indicator. It's just so simplistic and it works. All right, so here we get the strength trade right here. The yield says for this one 2 points, right? 2 points. And so let's count that one there off. Very, very profitable day today, folks. So 24.53, that's 1. Boom, that's 2 right there. Realizing profit off of this one here. And so we could have gotten more if you would have deployed some other strategies, like using your ATM with a trail stop. You could have really, I mean, look at this bar. This bar here is 24.52 all the way down to 24.48 quarter. I mean, think about that. It's almost 4 points. I mean, come on. It's just, then look what happens here. 11.40, we get another pullback coupled with a strength trade, coupled with a doji. Oh man, it's just like, it's just traders heaven. Look at that. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing, right? The yield on that. Let's see what the yield says. The yield says 2 points and a tick. 2 points and a tick. So let's count it off. And we go here. That's 24.52 quarter. Let's see what we at. That's 1. That's 2. And a tick right there. Boom, look at that. That's lovely. 10 contracts. That's just, oh man, it's just just besides myself here. Beside myself. So look, then we get another one off of that same bar. We traded the pullback, then we segue into a strength trade. That strength trade says a yield of 2 points and a tick. Let's count it off. A beautiful day. Absolute and complete beautiful day. Right here. 24.50. That's 1. That's 2. And a tick. Right there. Boom. Realized profit. Right there. 10 more contracts. Ooh. Just get you all warm inside, doesn't it? All right, so here we got right up in here. 20. That's 12:15. We're in a lunchtime session, and we get another strength trade right there. So look what we get here. Yield says 2 points and a tick. Again, one of them kind of days. Oh Lord, man, just count it off. 24.49. That's 1. That's 2, and add a tick. Right there. Boom. Realize on this one right here. Alright? So the market goes down. We get another doji saying trend change. Up it goes. Now watch this. We get to 13.05 coming out of the luncheon session, right? The yield says 2 points. 2 points. It's one of them kind of days, man. 2 points. It's a 2-point day. See here. $24.47 quarter. One, two, boom, right there. It ranged it went a couple of bars. It did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right there. 12 bars. 14.05. And lo and behold, they get one more gem for the day right there. Another strength trade to the downside. That's on the 15.35. We get a little bit more energy into the game. It's almost 3 points, right? Right there, 3 points. 3 points. 12 ticks, right? Let's count it off. Let's count it off. So we got 24.39.75. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Right there. Boom. Profits realized on for this one right here. And I'm talking like 10 contracts, 3 points, 5, 10, 15 minutes. Awesome day today, folks. And so that's the recap for both the London session and the New York session. Hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to be able to duplicate these kind of trades on a daily basis, and if you've seen some of my other videos, I mean, it's just happening day after day. Look at this. I mean, it's just, it don't get no better than that, man. And I didn't even mention that one. Let's go ahead and get that one in there. That's 13.40. I missed it. Let's get it. That's almost 2 ticks. 7, almost 2 points of 7 ticks. So let's count it off right here. Count it off. 1, 2, 3. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Another trade we didn't get to. So anyway, if you'd like to find out a little bit more about how you can get your hands on the Atlas line and start making trades like this, click the link below. Get in the game, start winning. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.